Ballestero! Malapit na, Drag Race Season 3, Mama Pao! Good morning, mga Dabarkats! At ang pinakagwapong mayor na wala katalo-talo, Mayor Rus... Good luck po, mga Dabarkats! Taas po, mga tabo!
National August 25 of this year. Shout out! Shout out sa Extra! Sanay! Kaya mo yun? Shout out!
Family Coronation, August!
Yes! Ang Friday Banding sa mga palapit ng dancing!
Comeback stage, and we are all excited to see the Philippines dance legends perform on the EV stage.
Tama ka naman dyan, ha? This will be their once-in-a-lifetime reunion on Philippine Noontime Television. At dito yan mangyayari sa Itbulaga.
Wow!
Lahat sila naghahanda na para sa kanilang padiin na performances.
Exciting naman, Mamiki.
Ako man maghahanda ako, 200,000 pesos ang premyo.
Oo, at lahat ng dance legends in one stage. Exciting talaga. But before the grand finals, our resident contenders will give us a review of what about tomorrow.
Makisaya na,